Outstanding show, and now I want to sit back and relax and enjoy my